Hi, I'm Doug Jones at Mortgage Magic. And I'm going to talk about loans. A loan is a loan is a loan. In real estate, they say location, location, location. But in loans, we say a loan is a loan is a loan. I've done, we think maybe as many as 50,000 loans over my many years. And loans are the same. All of them have credit, all of them have considerations, they have income to outgo considerations, and they have collateral considerations. I've done loans on show animals, I've done loans on seagoing vessels, I've done loans on the windmills in Altamont Pass, I've done loans on airplanes, I've done loans on racehorses, I've done loans on video games, I've done loans on churches. Now I haven't done those kind of loans in a long time. For the last 30 years, I've done only residential real estate loans. And that's what I do today, residential real estate loans. But still, a loan is a loan is a loan. I've done loans to a Hollywood celebrity for $1 million second mortgage, and that loan had 18% interest. But why would that person take that loan? Because it solved a problem and it made their situation better. The purpose of any loan is to make the situation better than it was before. So, I do loans. People have to learn how to do loans. You have to learn how to talk to people, you have to know how to take an application, you have to learn how to analyze credit. And one of the things we do really well here is we raise people's credit scores. Now, we're not a credit repair agency. However, I get an application and I see it's got a credit score of, say, 632. And I know if I can get that to 650, that I can help the customer by 0.25% on their interest rate. Well, we're going to do it. We're going to find a way to work with that customer and get their credit score up. So we still have those considerations, but I'm also a magician. I only use this to bring a point. Loans take time to learn. They take practice. They take study. They take diligence, just like a good magician. And eventually you become a good loan officer. Eventually I became a really good magician. And I use simple things like this is a shoestring. It's a long shoestring, but it's a shoestring. And a little ring. And people say, well, the ring's got a hole in it. Yes, it does right there. There's the hole. Well, that's a bad joke, but this is called ring on shoestring. It's on there. But then I have a way, I get it on there, and then here's what's interesting. Here's the ends, and that's the only place that the ring can come off. But I can take this ring and I can squeeze it just like that, and it comes off right in the middle. So, it's just a matter of practice, a matter of learning, a matter of dedication, a matter of wanting to be the best, like I throw it on there. Then people say, well, could you tie it on there and still get it off? Well, I'm going to try right now. I'm going to try to tie it on there. So it's tied around there. It's tied. I take it, I do a little hocus pocus like this, and I pull it right off. So, I can do magic because I practice magic, because I like magic, because I'm enthusiastic about magic. I do loans because I still like loans. I love helping people. I love helping people get in better financial situation. And I know how to analyze a loan. And something, hate to say this, but everybody out there is not a good loan agent. One of my best friends is getting an equity line from Bank of America. And I can say Bank of America because this is true. He's had his equity line application over there for 4 months now. I don't do equity lines anymore. When the new financial thing came together with Consumer Finance Index, our Consumer Financial Agency, they took away the equity lines from us. But it's taken him 4 or 5 months, and this fellow's worth $30 million, has tons of cash. He just wants an equity line to do some things. So what's wrong with Bank of America? I'm better than Bank of America. Now, because your loan is only as good as your loan agent. And that's me. So if you really want a loan, you want to get it done, you want somebody to talk to, and then somebody's going to be a straight shooter, give me a call. I'm Doug Jones at Mortgage Magic.